So one of the things that can be really frustrating for people when they are working towards a long-term goal, like a fitness goal or something like that, that's going to take them a while to do it, is how do you push through days that you don't feel motivated, that you don't feel like doing it? Maybe you don't feel like meal prepping, or you're tired too tired to go to the gym after work, and the work still needs to get done. You're not going to get to your goal by skipping days or not eating correctly. So how do you do it? And for instance, yesterday was an early day for me. I was at the gym at 6 a.m., which means I was up at 4:30. I had a ton of work to get done, but I still needed to get my workout in. And in all honesty, I didn't feel like it. I was tired, and just I thought about skipping it. I thought about skipping my workout. And then what I did is I used a technique called the 2-minute rule that was taught to me by my friend Nate Walsh. And basically what it is if there's something that you need to get done and you just aren't feeling it, but you know you need to put in the work, like workout, for example, you need to promise yourself that you're going to put in 2 minutes of full-fledged work. And you're going to get going, you're going to get started, and you're going to give yourself 2 minutes. Because honestly, you can do anything, pretty much anything for 2 minutes. And so you're going to work and just get it done and get yourself going. And a lot of times what actually happens, probably about 95% of the time, is after that 2 minutes, after that initial, step into the gym, or you start getting warmed up, is that you realize that you can do it, and you're a little more motivated than you think, you have a little more energy than you think, and you just needed to get started. Now, after that 2 minutes, if it still just isn't going to happen, and you just can't seem to fight through, then, you tried, come back the next day. But you got to give yourself at least 2 minutes to really give yourself the chance to get going, because I promise you, a lot of times the hardest part is just getting started. And then when you do it, you know that you're going to feel better when you've done the work, when you've put in that workout, when you finish meal prepping, and you've just gotten everything going. So that's my tip for today is, if you're not feeling it, that happens to everybody. Don't think that you're alone in that, but give yourself 2 minutes to get started and really give it your all for that 2 minutes, and see if you can build that momentum to make sure that you get to your goals. We'll see you at the gym.